Look who just got here. Ooh, take forever to focus. Still very bright, but the mailman. And he's got my bags. Oh, snap. Oh, wow. Come on, hurry up. Better go up there, help him out. Oh, I see a big box in the front seat. Here he comes. He's dropping off. He just dropped off one box. He's dropping off the second box right now. Honestly, I think that might be it. I don't know, he's walking around his truck. Wait. Oh, there he goes. Oh. What's that? Oh, snap. Oh, snap, son. Heck yeah. This is the best camera angle I can get. So. We'll do it first person. Oh. Okay. Let me get one at least open. Oh my goodness. I've got two uncovered. This is the front one. Man, it's so pretty. PSI on top. Absolutely killed it. This is amazing. And the back one. Nope, sorry, that was the back one. This is the front one. Dampening and camber adjustments on top. Freaking fire. God. They killed that. Now, I'm gonna look at the air tank and the management kit. Okay, so here is my air compressor. Just your good old V-Air, I don't know. Just a regular single compressor. Eventually I'll upgrade to two, to dual compressor, but one will be just fine for a little while. And this should be my management kit right here. So let me, oh, there it is down there. Hold on, let me show you. Oh, snap. Airlift 3P. I'll open all this slide out. Yo, this is kind of a sick box. What a terrible reveal. I thought it was gonna be, oh there, that's okay I guess. Airlift Performance, that's gonna be my my manifold, of course, to communicate with everything. So, this is so sick. So sick. Can't wait. Okay, so I've opened the bags, as you guys saw. I've got that open. Hopefully it doesn't throw off my lighting. My light's kind of bright, but wow. Oh, PSI killed this whole thing. So like I said, it's the Airlift 3P management kit with PSI suspension struts. So I've got, you know, the classic Viair single air compressor. I don't know if I said it earlier, but I do plan on eventually maybe going to 2. That way the 1 doesn't burn out. Way in the future, not right now. I'm happy with the 1. Number 2, the amount of like detail in everything is insane. I will shoot a cinematic, but right here, you won't see this, but this is just a little thing that they did that to me speaks volumes, because nobody's gonna see that. Airlift Performance right there, but wow, it looks so good. Tiny little details like that is what really sets that apart from everything else. I've got all the fittings, everything it looks like to mount my stuff, tools, the spanner wrench I think is what they're called, more fittings. I've got I mean, of course, obviously they send you everything that you need. They send you 2 nice big PSI banners. There you go, you can see them a little better. And the manifold, the brains of the operation. Oh, I forgot, it's anticlimactic. But I will go through all this. This is, I'm assuming, the installation guide, the control, the remote, and I've picked this box up before, but it feels nice. Like, it feels really good, and I'm super impressed with it off the rip, without even clicking any buttons or anything. I think that, oh, this feels nice. It's a heavy remote. Like, it doesn't feel cheaply made, like a little cheapy plastic one. Ooh, this is really nice. Oh yeah, it feels nice. Buttons don't click when you click them, they don't make a sound. You may be able to hear that, I don't know, because obviously I'm trying to get it right next to the mic, how quiet it is. But the Airlift controller, absolutely beautiful. I think this thing looks so nice. I love it. What else we got in here? We've got the manifold. This is gonna hold you. Let me see if I can get this manifold out of here. And it is also super pretty. Heavy duty looking and feeling. It feels so nice. Look, I think everybody needs to cut a little hole out like this. Can you see it? Kinda. I don't know, I was trying to focus on my face. Look like a burglar. But yeah, that looks super nice. Feels really nice. I mean, I didn't expect it to feel cheap, not at all, but still just blows me away. This is, I'm thinking the harness, yeah, this is I think a wiring harness. And man, if you guys get a management kit. I was debating on a lot of management kits. I really wanted this one, and I am so extremely glad that this is the one I ended up with. Like, over the moon, because they have the app, their control feels wonderful, everything feels very well made, nothing feels very cheaply made. And like you saw on the tank, it's a 4-gallon tank. It is, attention to detail is out of this world. I think they absolutely killed it on this kit, and I'm pretty sure that every single one of their kits, they absolutely killed it. So I can, off the rip, you know, just at first glance, can highly recommend Airlift 3P. Sorry, I'm trying to put this remote back in its little box until it's ready to get put into the car. This little compressor feels wonderful. It's got nice little rubber mounts on the feet. Whenever you mount it, it's not gonna sit there and vibrate a ton. I mean, everything, they thought of everything, which I guess this is what they do. Obviously they make air kits, so I guess it's to be expected of them, but nonetheless, they delivered 100%. 100%, they delivered. Everything feels so good. I'm opening this box. I don't have a clue what it is. It was in the Airlift 3. Oh, we're good. That was not a wiring harness. This is the wiring harness. But we're good. It's just wires. There's nothing. Yeah, no, we're just wiring. Look at that, neatly bound, wrapped everything together. Man, killed it. So as far as Airlift 3P goes so far, if I ever bag any future cars, hopefully I will, 100% gonna go with their stuff. And these right here, the piece de resistance for this kit, beautiful. I waited 3 weeks for these, 100% worth the wait. Oh, so lovely. I mean, they're amazing. You guys saw in the cinematic, all the little detail, the like a neochrome, I think is what you would call it, sticker, the words or lettering on top. If it'll focus, I think it's got to be on my face since I have it on face tracking right now. Those are the rears, of course. Like I said, these are the fronts. I do have like the camber plate on top. Not all cars, I don't think, will come with them. Mine does. Don't quote me on that. Yours, maybe they all do. I don't know. I know that there's a lot of cars that don't. Again, don't quote me on that. I don't work for PSI. I've heard that a lot of cars don't come with them. Maybe it's just other companies, their struts, they don't put them for all cars. But luckily, if you're buying an E38, PSI suspension, hit them up. Killer deal on all this. Took, let's see, I ordered like 3 weeks ago, almost to the day. They said 3 to 5 weeks, and beautiful. That is just going to be today's quick video. Next week, you guys will see it all being installed. So I hope you guys are looking forward to that. I know I am. I'm ready for this all to be in the car, and I want to see it air out for the first time. It's going to be crazy. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys next week when this is all going on. The beautiful car right there. See ya.